Well, I'm sick and tired of getting destroyed by miracle rogues, so I made an attempt at building one. Probably not going to work all that well, simply because I don't have the cards. A lot of the cards that are in the deck. But we'll give it our best shot here.
Watch your back.
Well, if this is a rush lock, Assassin's Blade is useless. I'll keep the Deadly Poison just in case I get Blade Flurry, that could be useful, and I'll keep the Acolyte. Cold Blood. I don't have Leroy or an Arcane Golem, unfortunately. I was forced to substitute a
Job's done.
Wolf Rider, of all things. Really tempted to buy more cards, but well, I am really tempted to sap that, actually. Ah, sure. Take another 3 damage. Probably shouldn't have done that. I probably should have saved the sap. Although, if he does that again, I can dagger Deadly Poison, yeah. Which I'd much rather do than eviscerate 2 of them. Well, if I draw a Blade Flurry...
That was a mistake.
Shift. Well, not super useful at the moment. I'm gonna take a lot of damage through this. I mean, I could Shiv and Cold Blood this guy next turn. Making a 5, but he still dies. So, if it was turn 5, this would be a no-brainer, but it's not. Could just straight up eviscerate, and then what? No, you know what? Let's get the dagger.
Here we
Kill
go.
one. Give up my whole health advantage, unfortunately.
So many possibilities.
Ouch, ouch, ouch. Ouch. Well then. Fan of Knives, okay. It's a shame I don't have one more mana. Fan of Knives kills that, takes that down to 1, but I can't Shiv if I do that.
So many options.
Shiv, eviscerate.
I greet you.
Well, let's do that and see what we get. SI7 doesn't help me this turn. Don't want to take 4 more damage. Crap.
Here we
Let's take
go.
2, and I guess we'll eviscerate that. Well, that sucks. He's got a card up on me and 2 health now. Draws the same. But that advantage that I gained with Sap, I just gave up
You shall
completely.
not pass.
And again, I'm 1 mana short for what I want to do. This is ridiculous. Phantom Knives does nothing except get me a card. I need that 3/3 on the board. Actually, no. We'll do Acolyte Daggers, I guess.
Let the pain speak to me.
And is there any point to hitting that thing? Well, doesn't hurt, I guess.
Here we go.
Next turn, I can Phantom Knives and SI7 to kill off the the, well, actually, either one of those. Depends on what I draw, I guess.
You call that a weapon?
The light protects me.
Card, ah, Blade Flurry, excellent. Again, ah! Jeez. Okay, Fan of Knives and SI7 on... Well, Fan of Knives, I think. Backstab. Okay, well that kills off the 1/1. 2 damage, that... Yeah, I don't have enough for both. I don't really want to backstab a 1/1. I mean, I guess I'll kill off the...
So many
Kill something off
This
here.
guy's toast.
I do have Blade Flurry, so I think I want to kill this guy, actually. Next turn I'm going to Assassin's Blade Flurry, I think, so may as well
Here we go.
use the last charge.
Choose
I
two.
want to Shadow Step that guy before he dies. No, because I want him to... Yeah, that did hit too hard. Okay. Still not in a great spot, but it could turn around very quickly next turn.
You call that a weapon?
Ouch. Not really cool. I mean, he's getting kind of low. He's getting within range of where this deck could potentially kill him off from, but the problem is now, Backstab, Assassin's Blade, Blade Flurry would kill everything. Sweet deal. I
Your
can't do
soul
anything
shall
else.
suffer.
Backstab, Assassin's Blade, and jeez, this really sucks. I mean, I wanted to attack first, but there's no point. Yep. I did not get any card draw this game. I got 1 card, or 2 cards, I guess. Cards, so that's why I'm suffering here. No auctioneers, no prep, no... nothing, really. Oh, wonderful. He's just gonna kill me.
Get in there and
Power overwhelming, 8, 12. Coin, power overwhelming, and Voidwalker. Okay. Actually, that's... Oh. 1. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I mean, I'm still dead, I think. No, I'm not. I could be. It depends.
Give me a quest.
Backstab that. I can't believe I'm in cold blood of flipping. Well.
Here we go.
I'm probably still dead, let's be
Well
serious.
played.
But,
Thank you.
the other Soulfire?
You shall not pass.
Fair Direwolf. Okay. I can't do something... Ah, there's the Auctioneer. Well, I don't really have a choice.
I got the best deals anywhere.
I'm a 5, but I can't do anything about
Quest
that,
accepted.
so I just have to do that. The one thing I could do would be to Shadow Step. Yeah, him. I hate doing that because it puts him back to a 2-2, but at this point it doesn't really make a difference. Deadly Poison doesn't help. Nope, that's GG.
Give me a quest.
Sap, that's not GG. It's basically GG.
Here we go.
Face. It's kind of hilarious because I've been stuck at 1 health. He's gonna kill me, but yeah, he's looking. Well, I have lethal. He doesn't have a taunt or a way to kill me. Am I silly to hope? I killed the shield bearer. Yeah. Am I actually gonna win this? Yes! That's awesome! Oh, yes, I love this deck. Okay, nice.